What's up, guys? I got a product from iMethod and this is the product right here. Oh, that's the wrong side. This is the product right here. It is basically an eyebrow wax for your eyebrows, and this is for full fluffy brows. As you can see, I have pretty, full brows already, but it's just gonna make it look more laid and not as bushy as it is right now. Yeah, let's just open this thing and see what it's hitting for. Oh, it gives you spoolies. Okay, I thought I would have to use my own spoolie. So you have two spoolies right here. I like the brown and silver detailing on here. It's clear. So it's a gel-like consistency. And so far, I like it. So then that I have this up here like that, I'm gonna bring the top like this. Ooh, yeah, I like that. That's cute. So this is the product with no makeup on, which is lashes and lip gloss. So now let's see with makeup on. So I just realized y'all would probably want to see me fill it in. So I'm gonna use concealer to clean this up. Ooh, did somebody say eyebrow? Okay, so this is with makeup. Yes, period. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So the iMethod Brow Styling Wax, I like it. I give this a 10 out of 10. I filled it in just a little bit, not too much. It looks very feathered-like, very natural, very 2021-ish. So I would recommend this, and it's under the $15. And it's a lot of product in here. Thank you, iMethod Beauty, for letting me try out your brow styling wax. And if you guys try it out, tag them. Let them know that I sent you. And yeah, bye.